Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the wheel balancer F-23 from TWIN BUSCH. The large digital display means that everything is always in view. The wheel distance and diameter are quickly recorded with the scanning arm. The scanning arm additionally recognizes when the ALU-S program is to be used instead of the normal program. There are additionally 6 other manually selectable programs. And the brake pedal helps when hammering in the weights. The F-23 has an extra long wheel mount and is therefore suitable for wide tires. For demonstration purposes, we will first balance an alloy rim with the F-23. Select the suitable cone. For the ALU wheel rims, we need the quick release nut with the clamping ring. Two depths in the wheel will now be entered with the scanning arm. For the second depth, the machine automatically recognizes that the ALU-S program is needed. The wheel width is not required for this program. We can go directly to the measurement. The required weights can now be adhered by hand with the help of the 12 o'clock position. With stop and ALU we now, however, also activate the adhesion at the 11 o'clock position with the scanning arm. With the scanning arm we now attain even greater precision when adhering the weights. The adhesive weight is simply wedged in. The machine will show the exact rotation and depth in the wheel. When the position is reached, simply press the weight on. The same procedure applies to the second position. Now the procedure for a steel rim. Recording the wheel distance and diameter takes place by simply halting the scanning arm. The rim width can be read off of the wheel. or, as shown here, measured with the supplied width gauge. In our case 6.5 inches. The width is then entered into the machine. The required balancing weights can now be determined. The machine directs you to the calculated positions on the rim. The weights are hammered onto the rim at the 12 o'clock position. The fine button is used to show the remaining, missing residual weight exactly. The F-23 has 7 manually selectable balancing programs, just as with the fully automatic ALU-S program. Among these there is also a static program for balancing motorcycles. Includes 4 centering cones, a weight plier, a calibration weight, a rubber lip, the corresponding clamping pot, a tension ring for clamping without a clamping pot, and of course the quick release nut. Additionally, a width gauge is also included. The motorcycle adapter, the universal flange adapter, the 4-hole adapter and the HGV adapter are all optionally available. And if you should be near one of our branches, please pay us a visit. We are looking forward to see you.